peer-to-peer discussions. At the top of your member homepage, you will find banners for the upcoming peer-to-peer discussions. These discussions are free with your membership fees and are available monthly or bi-monthly. These include a research compliance discussion, the Privacy Practice Squad, focusing on patient privacy, the Compliance Collegium, focusing on higher education, the Compliance Exchange, a discussion about general compliance topics, the Part 2 Crew, behavioral health, mental health, and substance use disorder compliance, and the Department of One, focusing on compliance for small compliance teams. Registration is a snap. Click on any of the banners, make sure you are logged into the main system, and click Register. In your confirmation email, you will find a voting link to choose topics and submit questions for the discussion. Also, a meeting link and link to a shared document where we record our meeting notes, so you'll never have to worry about missing anything if you are unable to attend.